My name is Pauline, and I have been a ClearCaptions customer for almost 6 years. I've had hearing loss even probably in my 30s and 40s. I remember questioning things. What did you say? Was my favorite thing. What'd you say? I was struggling on the phone. I couldn't understand what someone was saying. When I had ClearCaptions installed, it was an easy transition. I could see what was being said, and I enjoy that. When I get messages, it's very helpful. ClearCaptions has helped me in many ways, especially with the reading after someone speaks to me or as they're speaking to me. I can understand them. ClearCaptions gave me a pamphlet, and it had things written on it. So I used that. I never needed to call anyone to help me. My dear friend, Charlene, who I talk to every night at 8 o'clock. Charlene is 97. Every night we speak to one another. If it's 8 o'clock, my children and everybody knows, don't call me because I'm on the phone with Charlene. ClearCaptions has brought us closer together because if I didn't have it, I wouldn't be able to see everything she's saying. And that's important.